Hello guys, welcome back to the Stock Union's YouTube channel, and today's I want to discuss with you the things that have been discussed before. I want basically to share with you the 10 companies, the 10 stocks, in which you need to invest right now. So we're going just right now to the tradingview.com, and we will take a look on the stock market, and the stocks in which we need to invest into. So the first stock that I definitely sure that you need to invest right now in today, it's Apple. The Apple Incorporation. So basically, let's take a look on the graph and what they're doing right now. As you can see, it was a very big, support line. And it's going to be really good. And I'm definitely sure that the Apple company will create just something really new, and the new products will be just absolutely stunning. And this company, it has a target price of $150. So it's according to the Deutsche Bank. So if you're going to invest in this right now, I'm definitely sure that you will get, a good profit. Especially the fact that, just today it's just, a little bit dropped up to the 122. I bought these stocks on the level of 119. And I'm definitely sure that it's going to make, it has a very good future. And I think as the company that has a very good, also statistics. If we are going to the statistics of the company, you can see that basically it's enlisted on the S&P 500. That's a very well-known fact. It has the biggest market capitalization, nowadays, and it has a very good, income statistics. As you can see here, is 63.93 billions. It has a very good sales, and the P&E earnings, so price to earnings, better. So it's basically 33. So it's quite a big one, and this company is doing a good job despite the fact that today it's just dropping and it's just going up. But on the latest news of the rising of the obligations prices, that's okay. So I think that in the future it will struggle with all of these issues. So the second company that I want to show you today is the oil and gasoline, from the oil and gasoline sector, is Chevron Company. It basically has a ticker of CVX. As you can see, today's price is 106 and currently it's 52. We see it's 50. So basically, it was doing quite a good job, as we can see on the graph for the last 2 weeks. For the last 2 weeks, the price was going up to the level of $112.45. Despite it's just a little bit drop. It basically depends on the US oil price. Kind of. So as you can see, just a very clear correlation. Just a bit of rising for the last weeks. Was, as you can see, I was drawing a bit of graphs over here, and as you can see, it was just going up and up to the level of 66. Now it's just going down a little bit, but I'm definitely sure that the target price for the United States oil is going to be up to 100. So if it's going to be up to 100, now we can definitely say that investing in Chevron Company will give you a very good profit. So coming back to the statistics, we can also see a very good market capitalization, 207 billions. In regards to the income and price to earnings, there is a big problem for this company. But what's the issue here? You're not only supposed to look at this, so not only supposed to look into the statistics, it's definitely important. And when you're trying to, once again, if you're trying to make the portfolio that will be defensive, don't try to put this stock into your portfolio. About this, I've also prepared the first video where you can see which exactly strategies you need to choose, depending on your social group. So as you can see, this company is also very good in terms of dividend yield. So it has 4%, so 4.78% of the dividend. It has a very good dividend history. So basically, it was going up and up. So I think that you can also expect a very good, return of investment, especially right now. As you can see, the price has dropped up to $106.55. So I think it's quite a good investment will be for the future time. The next company that I want to show you is a very well-known company that I think each people on this planet will know, is the company of the name Coca-Cola. Yeah, so Coca-Cola Company has a ticket of KO. Yeah, current price is 50.96. Yeah, I bought the Coca-Cola, I think right about 49, yeah, somewhere over here. Yeah, when it was going up. Once again, guys, the time when you need to buy and sell stock, it's also have a good video in regards to this, when you need to exactly buy. So never buy on this point, try to find this point and buy over here. So when the price is basically going down. Yeah, so as you can see also on the graph on the last week, yeah, it was about $52. Yeah, it has done also a very good job. Yeah, now it's just going down a little bit. Yeah, but not look on this graph. Yeah, if we're going, kind of squeezed it, you can see that it's going in the corridor, and as you can see, we can even draw a very good, support line over here. Yeah, it has quite a good support line over here. Yeah, so I think that's time to invest in Coca-Cola. It will always be giving you, some profit, and it's also very good. Will be for your defensive portfolio. Yeah, don't try if you actually invest in, and if you're aiming at aggressive stocks, that's not the right channel for you guys. I'm not here talking really a lot about the penny stocks. Yeah, I don't think that the penny stocks is a good one. I've also written a book in regards to this, that a penny stock, yeah, is just about gambling. Yeah, if you're good at playing roulette or you're good at playing casino, that's probably the right place for you to invest in the penny stocks. But if you're not, I don't think that's a good one for you. Yeah, so also coming back to the statistics, we can also see a good information over here. So the market capitalization, good one. Income, a good one. Price to earnings is also 28.59. So it basically demonstrates us that we need to invest into this stock. For the future time, it will be just going up and up, and there is no other way how it can be done. Yeah, so despite the fact, by the way, guys, you can ask me the question, what can I do during the time when the market is basically, the whole market is going down here. As you can see, basically a lot of the stocks that I'm investing into, yeah, they're all like in the red zone, but that's the right time to buy the stock. Yeah, not the right time to buy the stock like United Health Group, which I'm also going to be talking today about. Yeah, when it's going up. Yeah, try to find the time when it will be just going down, somewhere over here. Yeah, somewhere over here. That will be the right time. By the way, yeah, the next stock that we'll be talking about today is APSG. It stands for Apollo Strategic Growth Capital. Yeah, it's one of the companies that is considered to be as a SPAC company. So SPAC means Special Acquisition Purpose Company. Yeah, so the primary idea behind the acquisition company, yeah, it stands for just having merging with someone. Yeah, so if they have basically announced the fact that they're trying to merge with some company, yeah, that's the right moment basically to sell your stock. Yeah, so I've invested in Apollo Strategic Growth when the price rate was about 10. Yeah, so basically when they're coming up on the market, their price will be 10. Yeah, and it's just a constant. Yeah, so I found the Apollo Strategic Growth is a good one. Yeah, as you can see on their website, they have official website. They offer a unique path for company to access the public markets while benefiting from the operational and industry expertise of Apollo Global Management. Yeah, so it has basically a very good future, and it's a very good stock will be for you to invest into. Yeah. As you can see, yeah, the next by the way company that I want to discuss with you, yeah, we'll be going to the to basically the payment providers. So the providers that are doing this such a well-known one as a Mastercard. Yeah, I think Mastercard will be a very good investment for you. Yeah, as you can see, it has, if we're going on such the graph. Yeah, when we're just trying to squeeze it, yeah, not a big one, the day graph, not a monthly graph, yeah, but was it just, squeezing this graph, yeah, we can, see a very good, position of Mastercard, and the fact that Mastercard, even if we're going to draw a line over here, yeah, it's a very good support one. Yeah, so as you can see, very good support line. I've done it, just a bit messy, but anyways, as you can see, very good support line, very good resistance line. If you want to invest your money for a long term, like let's imagine 5 years, that will be really a good one. Yeah, the second payment provider that I'm also into, it's a Visa company. Yeah, as you can see, I've invested into this company when it was in level around, or you know, like somewhere 200. It was somewhere over here, if I'm not mistaken. It was here in February, so it was in level $206.95. Yeah, and as you can see, it just shows me a very good level. Yeah, and I, by the way, drawn this, you know, support line 1 month ago, and as you can see, it's just going, yeah, on the trend line, and it does not change. Yeah, that's a very good tendency, and for the future I think it will be also doing a good job. Yeah, so the next company that I want to invest with, that I want to talk with you today, yeah, is United Health Group. So it's our seventh company, and it's one of the really, just I don't know, I really enjoyed investing into this company. Yeah, I was somewhere on the level over here, so $329. Yeah, now the price is 360.85. Yeah, so a very good company, is just rising and rising, but I'm definitely sure that I will be selling this company around 380. Yeah, I think that the target price, I've also, you can go to Google, you can see the target price for this company is even around 400. So even now, if you're going to invest into this, yeah, it will be a very good investment for you. Just don't try, you know, to be afraid of the fact that the company, you know, the stock is going up. If you're going to see on the way how they're doing, I mean, in terms of statistics, you will see good price to earnings, nice one. So then you're looking into income, nice one, sales, nice one, market capitalization, 330 billions. I think that's a good one. So there is no way to hesitate that United Health Group will do a really good job in the future. Yeah. Let's go next, and the next company that I wanted to discuss with you today is Walmart. So basically, a Walmart company, yeah, that has a very good potential. I think in the future, it has a target price provided by, I've seen it's on Bloomberg. It's around 100, even 450. So the medium level is over here, some 145. Yeah, I've invested into this company also when it was going down. Yeah, so don't be afraid once again of purchasing the stock when it's going down. When it's going, you know, rapidly fast to the top, yeah, that's not the right moment to do so. Yeah, you need to, you know, to understand one thing, that you need to invest in the stock when it's going down. So as you can see today, for instance, Walmart 1.31 minus 1.31. Yeah, we can see, we can draw a support line over here. Yeah, we can see also that it's going down. It has a tendency of going down, definitely yes, but on the long term it has a very good tendency of going up. Yeah, so this graph, by the way, also was drawn, you know, a month ago. So as you can see, I was just kind of predicted the fact that it will be going down. Yeah, so that's, just don't worry about it. Yeah, if you're investing, if you have the strategy of investing on the long term, like for instance 5 years, this stock will definitely, you know, provide you a very good returns. I'm expecting personally the return of up to 20-25% minimum. Yeah, and I think that's gonna happen. Yeah, the next company is the Invesco Bloomberg Commodities. Yeah, that's kind of, I will say, as you know, there's a big tendency right now in regards to the ETF funds. Yeah, so I really enjoyed this ETF fund due to the fact that basically it has, it has a very low volatility per 1 year. As you can see over here, the volatility is like 15%, so it's not really so big one. Yeah, but the problem is that such the volatility, yeah, as I have told to you, right now is increasing. So why we can see such the numbers over here, not just because of the fact that it is really volatile. It is not really so. Yeah, it's just volatile because of the latest time. Yeah, as you can see, we can take a look on the graph taken from, I don't know, January 21. Yeah, and it was a really big tendency of going up. Yeah, it was going up and going up just constantly. Yeah, and right at one moment, yeah, it was just, touched the high position, it was going down. Yeah, but it doesn't mean that it has touched the highest position and it will be going down. Nope. Why is it so? Because Invesco Bloomberg Commodities, it basically has it's basically a combination of different commodities, including oil and gas. So when the gasoline price or when the oil price will be just, going up, you will also see the return. So as you can see, that's basically the ninth company that I wanted to discuss with you, and the latest company that I wanted to discuss with you is JP Morgan Chase. Yeah, that's a very good one, as you can see on the graph. Good support line, very good future. Yeah, once again we're going into the statistics. Yeah, we see a very nice numbers over here. So 1746. Yeah, price to earnings, a very good one. On this graph, even you can see just a very, such a very good support line. That's definitely the company that you can invest into. Yeah, and this support line starts from September, 10th of September, even just a bit earlier, so 4th of September, yeah, up to now. So as you can see, there are no changes up to it, yeah, in regards to this company. Just going down and down, up, just going, just increasing and increasing. Sorry, and by the way, they're also paying dividends, so it's like 2.32%. Yeah, and guys, just once again, don't please be concentrated on the dividends. Yeah, unless you have like 100,000 bucks. And if you want to look into the way how to invest into the dividend companies, I will also put in the description my simple dividend calculator, where you can just calculate how much money do you need to spend in order to obtain some precise amount that you would like to. Like for instance, you can go to my simple dividend calculator, and you will see that if you want to obtain, for instance, 100 bags from the Cineworld's PLC stock, yeah, you will need to invest around 42,000 bags. Yeah, so, and like annually you will receive 400 bags. Yeah, that's not the way how, that's the way basically how the dividend stocks are working. But unless you have like big amounts of money, yeah, that's the only way how you can come to the dividend stocks. Yeah, so guys, today I think we have discussed with you just kind of my portfolio. Yeah, it's been touched. Also, I do have some companies that are up to $5, so up to $10. So just I'm including 30% of my portfolio into speculative stocks. Yeah, that's the way how I see this. Also, we have not discussed with you a couple of stocks that are basically considered as a SPAC company, so special purpose acquisition company. Yeah, it's the Go acquisition, and it's also the Horizon Acquisition Corporation. Yeah, but on the same way, so just like a short homework for you guys, just go into Google, look into the way how the company is doing. Yeah. One thing that you need just to remember, yeah, don't please look at the price. Just the price does not really indicate the way how the company is doing. You need to look into the news. You need to download Bloomberg, for instance, app. You need to see the notifications. You need to understand the market, analyze also by itself in the stock that you're trying to invest. Yeah, so guys, once again, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't hesitate, just leave the comment below whether you have found it interesting, whether you have found those companies really useful for you, whether do you think that you will invest into them, yeah, in which exactly, just drop the comment below, and don't hesitate to subscribe and click the like button. So thank you so much for you guys once again, and have a good one.